In the vastness of space, a celestial secret has been uncovered. Moon rocks from the Apollo missions are holding more than lunar dust, they're hiding the key to a cosmic treasure. Get ready to dive into the world of lunar wonders. Welcome to the new episode of Vyomology. Scientists, armed with curiosity and lunar samples, have made a groundbreaking discovery. Hydrogen, the cosmic chameleon, has made its appearance in moon rocks from the Apollo missions. But how did hydrogen, the universe's unsung hero, find its way into these rocks? It's a tale of solar wind dances and comet collisions, turning the moon into a cosmic alchemy lab. Hydrogen isn't just a cosmic bystander, it's a potential game changer for future lunar missions. Imagine astronauts tapping into lunar water for life support and even transforming it into rocket fuel. A fueling station on the moon, who would have thought? Launching water bottles to the moon? That's so last century. With lunar ice potentially serving as in situ water for astronauts, the cost of moon missions could plummet. And hey, breaking down that ice into hydrogen and oxygen might just be the cosmic fuel needed for future moon to Mars odysseys. Forget about pools of water, imagine the moon decked out in a glittering ice ensemble. Thanks to data from SOFIA, we've learned that the moon might just be sprinkled with ice across its surface, adding a touch of cosmic glam. Here's a plot twist. While many expect lunar riches at the poles, our intrepid Apollo astronauts fetched their rocks from the equator. The implications? Well, it's shaking up our lunar expectations and adding a dash of mystery. Speaking of surprises, India's Chandrayaan-3 mission adds another layer to the lunar mystery, sulfur. Could this element be the key to building a lunar infrastructure, complete with storage batteries and more? From moon rocks to hydrogen dreams, the cosmos never ceases to amaze. As we look to the lunar horizon, who knows what other secrets the moon holds? Till then, be curious. Do let us know your thoughts in comments and keep watching Vyomology. Thank you.